come make a latte with me in my new espresso machine. And of course I have my helper here with me, Miss Michi. Michi, would you like to say anything to the camera? No? Okay, we'll get started then. So just have a super simple setup here, Casa Brews, super basic version. Okay, girl, I'm gonna need you to let me film, bro. Hey, I'm trying to show them the portafilter. This is just the basic portafilter that came with the Casa Brews. I am by no means an expert in espresso and lattes or anything, but okay, girl. No. Our co-barista seems to be interrupting the process just slightly, so bear with me. And of course, the most important ingredient, a locally roasted fresh coffee from Common Room Roasters, which is right where I live here in Long Beach. I personally don't measure anything. I know I'm supposed to do grams and all that stuff, 18 grams to 36, this and that. I don't got the time. Watch your ears, Michi. And I'm gonna pour it in here. Just break up the clumps a little bit with this thingy. Ta-da! In a glass, I'm going to add maple syrup. Just a little splash. The shot of espresso. Oh. And I spilled that everywhere. Good job. And then the milk. Looks like a good color to me. Clean up the mess I made first. Add a bunch of ice. Fuck ice though. This is the good ice. I'm gonna give her a stir.